Hi everyone, we're having salad for lunch today, and guess where I'm gonna get it? Yep, from the garden grocery store, and you can have one too. With the cost of groceries on the rise, we grow our own to save money at the grocery store. I mean, look at this, my own garden groceries, and you can grow this too. In 2023, I'm gonna show you how to grow, harvest, and eat from your own garden grocery store. We're gonna do it together in a quick, simple, inexpensive way. I'll be by your side every step of the way. You can definitely do this too with me. Now, when you grow your own groceries, not only is it so satisfying, but it really saves you money because we grew all of these beautiful lettuce greens from seed. It's all organic. You knew exactly what goes into it, how you grew it, and I'm telling you, the taste is absolutely out of this world. Here we have some fresh, tasty spinach, so healthy, all organic. It's gonna be beautiful in our salads. I'm just gonna grab some peppers for my salad. Now, you don't need a ton of space to grow your own groceries. Even if you don't have a backyard, you can grow on a patio or a balcony in containers. And we're gonna do it together. You're gonna love growing your own groceries. So you wanna grow your own groceries, that's why you clicked on this video. Well, you are in the right place. I mean, look at this here. You can't beat picking tomatoes from your own garden grocery store. The best part about it is I grew it myself. These are gonna be amazing on top of our salads. You're gonna absolutely love having your own fresh homegrown tomatoes in your garden grocery store. Next week, we're starting Grow Your Groceries with CaliKim. You're definitely gonna wanna jump in. I'm gonna show you how to grow, harvest, and eat your own groceries from seed to harvest and everything in between. Now, look at these greens here in this raised bed. Raised beds are also a great way to grow your own groceries. These are giant red mustard greens. They're gonna be absolutely delicious in our salad. I'm telling you guys, it's just so rewarding to just pop outside my back door and pick my groceries that I grew myself, and I know you're gonna absolutely love it too. Got some arugula in here, got some dill, and the best part about it is we have this all growing right outside our own back door. And over here we have a pepper, all grown in our very own backyard. These are gonna be absolutely amazing in our salads. If you're growing your own groceries for the very first time in 2023, first of all, I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait to grow along with you. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of our videos, and leave me a comment below and let me know you're in. You are gonna absolutely love growing your own groceries. Look at these amazing tomatoes. Can't wait till they ripen up. The taste of homegrown tomatoes is just out of this world. If you've already been growing your own groceries along with me for a couple of years, first of all, I'm glad you're here too. Keep on growing. And your job is also to encourage the first-time gardeners in the comments below. You've got a lot of tips and expertise you can share with them as well. Now here we've got some chard and some kale. Gonna be absolutely delicious in my salad today. One thing I love about growing your own groceries is the colors are absolutely out of this world. This is red chard and purple kale. It's just so delicious in smoothies and in salads. Growing your own groceries is just so rewarding and so beautiful too. So get ready. The first episode in Grow Your Groceries with CaliKim drops next week. In the meantime, what I want you to do is head over to CaliKimGardenandHome.com, sign up for my weekly garden newsletter. You'll get weekly garden tips right in your inbox. And right now we're having a 50% off all seed collections with the code WINTERGARDEN. So grab your spring garden seed collection so you're all ready to grow along with us. Don't forget to leave me a comment below if you're in. Look forward to reading your comments and growing along together with you in 2023. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.